Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place as Ishal speaks messages, Gypsy Vishtaro. I hope that you all are doing well. Okay, so sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start. I'm on Instagram. You may message me over there regarding inquiries, anything that you wish to say. Also, you can email me. If you wish to support the channel, you may do so via PayPal. Then I have GPay, okay, and UPI ID. Okay, let's start. Mm, I kind of see that there is this, I want to say raven, but could be crow, okay? But this is just a single, either a raven. I know the difference, of course. That's why I'm saying that maybe because I'm picking on raven energy, this is something very important phase of your life that is going to either start or you are like you're transitioning into basically because we are projecting the future energy. So they are trying to convey me that this raven, you may connect this as a crow as well. Again, it depends. But what I am getting very strong is raven. Raven is there sitting holding a blue stone or gem or crystal. Something is, but it's blue. Okay, so maybe blue color is important. This is also something very important again, face. It's a big communication or a big message or some important message or email or draft or something is connected with. Now, this could be connected with your work area. This could be connected with something very important that someone is going to write to you. So, this is a big either communication coming through, big decision coming through, big because I do feel like this is very important phase. Okay, I cannot exaggerate on this, but this is like, this is it. This is the exaggeration of your situation possible. So, and it may or may not resonate with all of you, but he is still, like he's still sitting there and in a still position, I mean to say, and not doing anything. Okay, nothing. It's calm and it's just sitting there. And so another thing, black color could be important, blue color could be important. This is something out of the blue or could be unexpected, reach, arrival, appearance, or something that is going to be very important for you. You need to look into that matter. Maybe you're going to actually witness raven or crow, but could be even mostly like this is coming as in like raven, keep saying raven, so maybe raven is going to be important for you. I'm also seeing here, like I'm hearing and I'm seeing the words looking forward. So maybe someone is looking forward. Okay, LOOKINGFORWARD, looking forward to either talk to you, looking forward to possible, you are looking forward to meet someone or looking forward to connect with a certain situation, people, person, work, project, someone in specific. Lot has to do with green, possible nature, including water as well, very specific water energy. Like I see water, okay, and it's clear and it's clean, so it's not chaotic. Okay, so whoever you're going to end up talking or whoever whatever you are going to end up doing or entering into, like transitioning into a phase, this is not going to be messy or confused. Okay, like no more confusion. There's no confusion regarding what you're about to do or start or talk. Okay, so could be again blue color, blue something else possible connected as in even energy wise. A blue could be someone's eyes, black, dark black eyes, because sometimes you feel like when you see the color, like eyes, you feel like this is black, but it ain't. Okay, so sometimes it's dark brown in color. Okay, I'm black coal here. Okay, and also, if you're new to the channel, I always say if you're new, because you must not be aware about how I'm channeling. So there are messages on me. So if you're new, so look at this. This is a signal. Okay, you see it on your phone as well. So it's going to be very strong signal, or other type of symbolism of like if we decode it. It's signaling, someone is going to signal. This is again connected with a call, message, some notifications, but it's going to be very strong and it's going to be very important or big message, not just hello, they want to talk more possible, or you're going to end up getting involved in a certain situation which is going to be 99% good for you because I don't see any creepy or eerie energy right now when I'm channeling. Okay, water could be water element, could be why I want to say Aries, I know water element. Anyways, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be an Aries, and hmm, could be Aries, could be someone who is there could be age gap possible, not for all, but if it is, you'll know. I'm hearing wishes to know. Now, this is not the wish come true. It is like someone whose wish is to know you. Okay, all I can say right now. And have I said this is for Aquarius? Mm. Huh. The top card, I'm seeing this with you. Honestly, this is Two of Cups. I've shuffled this deck. Two of Cups. It's someone who wishes to know you. They want to even meet you, gather their own like courage, or like just say, or confidence, and to approach and ask you something. Could be that someone you're going to talk again, possible after a while you're talking or connecting. They want to or they wish to meet you even in coming time. So if it's yet not here, they want to really go on a date possible, or they want to ask you something important. But this is also reunion, so you're going to talk again with someone, okay? Again, and it is not necessary that the first time you talked was something like romantic. Could be even like casual talk, but this is something else. This is something important phase. Looking at Raven, he is just sitting there. This raven is just sitting there, and I can conclude with this raven sitting that this raven is this is male energy. Okay, it's not that I need to say this, I have to, I must say this, no, but it is he's giving me this energy vibe of like um what to say when someone is not scattered in thoughts but rather in, like, they know how to, you know, how to conclude things in their life, or they know what they're doing. Like, I'm not getting that particular word. If I'm going to remember, I'm going to say that. They're in self, and it's not suffocation. It's like they know what they're doing. So they're very calm and they're sitting there, and they brought something for you. So basically, when ravens and crows they bring something, I mean, is it like to is it like to of being that you being kind to them, or you did something nice for them, and that's what they're saying. Maybe you saved someone. This is something approaching you with something for a reason. There's a purpose behind it. Okay, okay, said and done. Bottom energy is Three of Wands energy. Um, Look at this again. This is again masculine, but whoever could be energy wise, but Three of Wands as if like waiting, watching, wanting, wishing. Okay, so that's why maybe I said wishes to know you. They wish to know you. Let me see now. Want to know you possible more. Is there something? This is big communication coming. Like, can we talk like in big conversation? You know, or could end up talking, or over a call or something. Hi, hello. You know. Let's see. Let's shuffle. Look, whoever is this person may not resonate with all of you at the same time, but whoever this person is, they had a rough past. Now, this is a very basic thing. Oh, everyone does. No. Regarding relationship, I mean to say regarding even possible marriage concept. Maybe they've been divorced. Okay. And it was rough on both the parties, not just the person, the one I'm talking, the other one involved. It was not easy. Did I have I stopped while I was telling that it's like the color of the eye is black, but sometimes when you look closer, they're not black. Black is there, but it's not. It's dark brown. Okay, like mine inside, it's like mostly going to feel as if like they're black, considered black, but no, it's not. It is black, but it's not black. It's dark brown. When I'm into sun, my eyes, they're like, this one is, or in light, especially other kind of light in from different angle, it has happened. So it's like brown, and in my some pictures it's like one is brown, one is black, because it's inside, and so they feel as if like something is ugh. But no, no, everything is fine. Oh, okay. Okay, so you got the card. It's two of wands energy. Like look wise, it's like someone is looking in your direction. Like look wise, it's three of wands, someone wishes to know you. Two of wands is also, it's giving me this energy of like the raven sitting, and he is the raven, like the person is the raven. So I was talking about the past or experience, rough, rough, and a lot of disappointment, especially emotional. And it's just not about the person they were with or the person who was with them. It's beyond that, like even from family or friends, a lot of disappointments, kind of. Okay, not that easy. It was not easy for this person. 1111 recording time. So when I am seeing this to one's energy, they have hope regarding life. And this is what is very interesting, because people who don't give up, I just like them. I am proud of them because they fight. They fight and they grow, and they just want to do something in their life nice. They recover, they heal, they recreate whatever is or was destroyed in their life, because they don't, I mean, just different kind of aura, I mean to say. And yes, that's the boost we need. Okay, it's not that we don't cry or something, but what you're looking forward, you know, for. You know what I heard? It's so weird. Weird because I hear, I'm not even surprised anymore, but I heard yes, Pam, Pamela, PAM, maybe nickname short of PAMELA or PAMALA, or something is connected with letter P for parrot. Pam. Hi, Pam. I clearly heard that. Maybe with someone you dealt with or you're going to deal with, or someone um, is listening to me and their name is like that. So I hear someone was very been through some rough patch, or someone was rough towards someone while talking. That's what I heard, the word rough, ROUGH. Someone is looking forward for change, options, looking forward and preparing and planning to either connect with you, to either move, also you looking forward, because there is something coming. Some of your energy is like that, and this could be that raven energy of like someone approaching or entering into your life. Because like if you take this energy as your energy, you're also like very hopeful and very confident, and you know that where I'm heading. So this is what you the world is in your hand, like kind of like I know what I'm doing. Okay, means a shift, um, transition, change, travel for a purpose or whatever that is for you. Some of you, just to show you, Knight of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I said in the starting, because I told you there's water. Okay, nature is also here, water is also here, interesting. But this cup, an offer arrives, approach someone has, they do have big message for you. Okay, what is coming? You're going to reconnect or connect with someone that you're going to feel like, you know, I know this person, or I've known this person, or, why do I feel this way? Like, this is a feeling as well. Maybe you never talked, maybe you never met with that person, but you feel this energy of like a home or nostalgia, something. Okay. Hmm. Okay, now I'm going to give this message anyhow, but you have 10 of wands, so just look at this. Okay, whatever was difficult for you, you're going to push yourself and leave that. And you're going to leave this all burden behind, or constant thinking, overthinking, stress, anxiety, as something that you're going to be done with. If it's like weight of items, you're going to be done with. If it's a weight of project, you're going to be wrapping it up. If it is something that you felt won't be getting over, something that's like it feels though, or felt though never ending kind of. Now you're going to have this energy of like, you know, inside you're feeling possible it's not ending, and when, but it's going to. Okay. um you're feeling like it's not ending, you're feeling like won't be able to wrap up, but you're going to think otherwise, and you're going to, whether it's leaving you or not, you are going to leave. You understand, like when things are not going the way you wish, or it's not ending, or it's like, oh, it's such a burden, but then again you're going to push it, and you're going to break that some rule, and you're going to drop that whatever is troubling you. You understand, like from mind and from heart. This is the message from this weird position of the card. um, in order to start the world, in order to start your new chapter. Again, there's green and everything. Someone you're going to connect with, if there's a person, could be Scorpio, could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, could be an Aries, as I said, as remember that. Um, and I am remembering the word I wanted to say, that the raven is sitting all collected, you know, they know how to collect self. So this person is all in like control and full confidence. Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Like basically, I want to say you are the one who's putting an end, and you're the one who's going to wrap, and you're the one um, making it like it's obvious that I'm not going that way. I'm not starting that. Okay, it's obvious. Like you have to leave something. Leave. I'm not saying that, oh, to leave is easy. No, it's like when some things are still there or here, you then push it to, okay, this is my final decision to something. Now what is coming in future is Ace of Cups is flipped. Okay, it's Ace of Cups, and it's going to be something that is happening, or it's going to happen, is full of appreciation, something that is going to transition, like you are transitioning into this phase, is going to be loved by you. I want to say it's beyond romance or something. That is, but that is because I said that there's a big conversation, big message, but whatever that is, it's something that is acing in your life, starting. It's something big for you. Big opportunity, big love, big offer, big, someone is going to be overwhelmed by you as well. Or you're going to feel so happy in a particular place where you're like, I made the right choice. Like that kind of energy, that yes, I am making the right choice. Ace of Cups is an offer, and this is coming to people who are totally free, like they are also single, not dating, and they are not even interested in talking to so many at the same time. They don't like this mess, they don't like the confusion, they want to be just clearly on one path. If they're trying to figure out, talking is okay, but they're not complicating their life, like you're not. So the bottom energy is Nine of Pentacles. So you're walking into the phase, and you're going to be financially independent as well. You have money. I see you have money coming. Okay, money inflow. You're going to receive money. You're going to be receiving money from some side source project, anything, but that's something, a check or some finalization, especially with Nine of Pentacles, I'm saying, seeing here. but it's also you're going to be in, will talk with someone here, I see, because I do see that. I do see that. Hmm. Peekaboo in future. You heard the bell ring. I know someone is there at my door, on my door. But with this being said and this being flipped out, someone is interested at least. I don't know what do you want to do, okay? But someone is going to be interested. Hmm. King of Pentacles could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Well, I don't know the word. Again, well in self, like contained. Yes, this is what I want to say. Someone who is so contained in self, and regarding money, there's no problem in their life, there's no struggle like that. So this could be someone very specific, male energy. That's what I said. Masculine you might be dealing with, or even could be someone hearing for someone, or could be cross watchers as well. But I usually do, general reads and then Aquariuses, um, because of what shuffle and views and all that stuff. I don't have like time to, you know, I have to contain my energy. You understand? Like it's take a lot of energy. So but for private, anyone can approach. Okay, so this person is in the future someone who's going to be interested in you. Okay, if you see like this, if you see like this, he's looking toward this, wishes to know you. He does want you possible in their life, and may ask you like if financially they are not broke. Okay, that's what. So this is a financial security as well, and there's nothing wrong in talking about that stuff. I mean, why to not? Oh, nobody can live without. Okay, that of course everyone is working hard, so this person really worked hard. And I'm not talking about you personally, individually, you're done good. But what I mean to say is that this person here, yes, all I have this for you. Take care and see you soon. Bye.